So when we talk about umbrella liability policies, now an umbrella liability policy is as it sounds, it's an umbrella over and above all of your underlying policies. In theory, it is the cheapest form of insurance because you can get a ton of coverage for very little premium. What I always recommend is instead of increasing the value, and we do a lot of course, boat and yacht insurance, instead of increasing the liability limit there and spending more premium, spend the money more wisely, and that is buy an umbrella policy, which would go over either your home or your auto policy. What it does in theory is the umbrella coverage, say, let's use an example of $1 million. You have $1 million umbrella, but your auto policy has $500,000, your boat policy has $500,000. In theory, you have $1.5 million worth of liability coverage in the event you injure someone and they sue you. Your general liability coverage increases by that umbrella amount. Now, the rates depend upon how many properties you have, how many vehicles you have, how many RVs or recreational vehicles that you may or may not have. So everything is relative to the cost. But everything that is owned personally is under that. You can also get a commercial umbrella liability policy, but that's for another video. But our interview here is strictly on why is it good to get an umbrella liability. It's incredibly good, especially if you have a pool, recreational vehicles, anything. The more people that have a chance to use these things, the more of a chance something could go wrong. So why not spend the money more wisely instead of increasing the lower limits by the umbrella policy? If you're a boat and yacht insurance client of ours already, we can do your home, auto, and umbrella separately. If you've already got it, simply ask your agent what it would cost to get an umbrella policy, and they'll be glad to help you. But it's really smart money to spend on.